If you want to set a photo as a watch face on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, you can go to the wearable app on your smartphone that is paired with the Galaxy Watch 9, and we can go to the list of watch faces, and then in here we should be able to find Photos section. So you can choose any of these styles that you would like to use on your watch. So let's say I'm going to choose this one here. And of course, we can then apply the watch face. Although before you apply, you might also want to customize it. So you can tap on this pen button that we have right next to the apply button. So then we should be able to choose the photo that we wish to set as the watch face. So now over here, we can tap on the background, and let's say I'm gonna go ahead and choose pictures. And now we can choose any picture that we want to set up on our watch, any that we have on our phone. There we go. After selecting the picture, we should still be able to adjust it a little bit. We should be able to zoom in and zoom out and adjust the position. Over here, we can also adjust the brightness of the picture, the exposure, contrast, highlights, and so on. And then we can tap on Save. Now, we should be able to set the photo. Besides that, we can change the clock type, of course. We have the clock color as well. So you should be able to make some further customization options in here. And once you are done, you can just tap on Save. And there we go. We have our custom watch face. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.